So in the last class, we have discussed about the how the screening is being cleaned mechanically and two mechanical type of core screen cleaning methods. So next we will be coming into the fine script. So we must, if before entering into the fine script, we must categorize the size of the fine screens so that we can able to easily adapt what kind of fine screens to be adapted and where the application it will be. So we can say that type of screening device. If we are providing the fine screen in inclined manner means, so we can able to categorize. We can able to use only for the medium sized particles. The sizes may differ from in inches and also in mm. It has been given. So we can say in mm 0.25 to 2.5. So for the particle size of 0.2 to 0.25 to 2.5, we can use the stainless steel wedge wire screen, so which has been shown before, and it is only used for the primary treatment of the purpose. That means before the clarifier treatment. In the case of rotary drum type, it is only preferred for it is also preferred for three types of screening. So that is coarse, medium, and fine type of screening. Here, the particle size may range from 2.5 mm to 335 micron. So we can use the different types of size ranging for these type of drum rotatory, because in the drum rotatory we can just replace the rotating drum conveyor belt according to the size of the particles we are receiving it. So we can able to see that it can be used for the primary treatment also and primary treatment also. Further, it can also be used for the secondary suspended solids removal. When coming to the horizontal reciprocating type, we can use this type only for the medium screened particles. The particle size which is ranges from 1.6 to 4 mm. So here we can use or adopt only the stainless steel type bars to protect the or to prevent the entry of particles into the treatment system. So it is only used for the combined sievers and overflow stormwater type. When coming to the placement of tangential, it is only preferable for fine sized particles. Here we can even go for the fine size of the particle till 1200 mm. But here we can provide the only type of filter medium in the mesh type with the stainless steel material, so that it can able to stop the particle size of 1200 mm. And here we can able to use these kind of tangential setup in all type of treatment system from the primary to tertiary system for their efficient removal of the fine sized particles till 1200 mm. So this is an example for fine type of screens for the combined siever. This kind of system can be adopted anywhere in the treatment procedure. So first one is horizontal type and next one is drum type. So horizontal type is nothing but the water flow in the vertical way, and the water will be discharged into step by step manner, and there is an overflow siever at the bottom, and also there will be a sanitary siever at the exit. So here what will happen means the water will enter into the screens from the top, and it will be distracted with the help of different type of screens which is placed in the horizontal way, and the water will flow in a zigzag manner. And each zigzag manner we have placed a fine screen mesh type, so the particles, fine type particles which is below 6.5 mm is being collected in the mesh. But when coming to the drum type, there is a vortex. That means there is an vortex has been created. The vortex, in the sense, there is a cyclone typhoon type of flow has been created. These flow will help in settling on the particles at the bottom, and the water is being sent to the other end. So here we can able to see that the water is, the influent wastewater is coming from the left side, and it is being let into the drum type of provision. So in the drum type of provision, a screening bar is provided at the bottom, and a separate screening chamber is provided at the middle. So here in the middle part, we will be creating a vortex flow. That means a typhoon is created with the help of a mechanical device. So this typhoon will cause the particles, suspended particles to float down at the bottom, and the water, the clarified water will be sent at the top. So later then on the right side we can able to see the effluent. That means effluent water will be thrown out. So these water will be sent out to the right side of the chamber. So this is the drum type. So when compared to the horizontal type, the drum type is a closed one. So we can able to see that we can able to receive any kind of a smell. But the only disadvantage is if the drum type is being clogged, so the whole systems will fail. So we have to route the routine maintenance, and then labor who has been much in depth knowledge is needed to look after this drum type. So location. So where should we locate? So initially we know that locate in line and offline. So locate in the line in the sense when the flow is parallel means we can locate these kind of treatment. I mean these kind of fine removal treatment system along the flow itself. Locate offline means we are keeping separate these kind of treatment from the flow of water wastewater treatment. So initially we can able to see that when the influent is coming inside, the screening is kept at the starting itself. When in the offline method also the screening is kept at the starting itself. Grid removal is also starting itself. But when coming to the equalization basin, locate inline has an equalization at the starting itself, and then controlled flow is being generated, and then it enters the primary treatment, secondary treatment, and effluent. But when coming to the offline, equalization is basin is kept separately. From the grid removal chamber, the water enters into the overflow. Then it does not directly enters into the flow meter. It enters into the equalization basin. From the equalization basin, we are controlling the flow of water. Then it is being sent to the primary and secondary treatment. So this is the difference between the locate inline and offline. Thank you.